It's definitely an Archers kit because as soon as you rode Archers, I thought, yeah, that rings the bell. I was 19, I'm 60 next year.
That's when you bought it?
From a gym in Brisbane. It was that long ago.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how long I've had it for.
I need to finish the Archers gym. I'm almost done with the dumbbells. They're gonna look like they're on fire. I'm going to refurb a gym. It's called Archers in the 80s and 90s in Brisbane. It has to be pre-1974 because there's no kilos on the weights.
So it was this, the leg curl machine, the one you pull down behind your head, one you mounted to the wall to do your chest, the load on your back and pushed up, then it had like a ladder. The sit-ups with.
So you bought the whole kit?
Yeah. Like it was a full-on gymnasium.
As I was looking for information on Archers, sort of stumbled across a police report. They don't make this steel like they used to. My name's Cully and I save Jim from the landfill. There's so much gym stuff to be saved on the Gold Coast. So this weight was somebody's grandfather's.
What are you going to do?
He said he got it when he was 19 years old and now he's 60 and it was second hand. He refurbed it years ago and painted it black. It's all rusted up again now. The gym had plates, had these plates that he took off to paint and lost. And you can see where the holes are for where the plates went. So it all says Archers on it, but he's got the plates somewhere in his garage or he's thrown them out. And that was the identifying mark. As I was looking for information, sort of stumbled across a police report. It was a basement gym underneath something called the pink pool hall or pool table. I don't know, I wasn't there. Famous hub for socializing, and then underneath that was this gym. For serious bodybuilders, powerlifters. No, you're lying! Degrease it to get the oil off. So I'll put a very heavy degreaser and I'll let it sit so I'll get all the grime and stuff off. So I degrease it heavily. I just 2-easied this, so I used the 2-easy degreaser, did it on the fabric and on the middle. Try and get the 3-in-1 oil off. And now I'm going to spray my dishwashing liquid and water mix on top so I can take it off because you can't leave it on there. And then I'll put a rust converter on it and I'll let that sit.
Yeah.
And then when that dries, I'll probably sand it if it's bumpy. You've got to tack cloth it and get it off and vacuum it and all.
Yeah.
And then I'll prime it and then I'll paint it
Yeah.
and then I'll seal it.
Yeah.
And the upholstery here actually looks so tough. This is either leather or very thick vinyl. 40 years ago, that's what they used. Leather or thick vinyl. After it's dry, and a very, very thin coat of this stuff. It says it attaches to fabric. I can't tell the difference. If I had to have a guess, maybe thick vinyl. Okay, so the first thing I like to do with this stuff is I like to bug spray it. So I'm putting the second coat, just putting the second coat on now. There is another gym in Southport that was called Archers as well. People are very, very fond of the Gold Coast Archers. The couple who owned and ran Archers Gym in Southport, they've broken world records. Did say before that they had a gym together in Brisbane, but he didn't name which gym it was. Exact same time period, 2 different locations, only like a 45-minute drive away, and they're both called Archers. And then that one, it got set on fire. Doesn't matter how much I research, it keeps saying that they're not associated. They're 2 independent companies. And I wonder, why would you call it Archers? Does Archers mean something that I'm not aware about? But then the gym in Brisbane, which is what this video is about, they were famous for having the police involved. You know, you have your sandwich, you have juice. Were they associated? If you know, please leave a message in the comments for part 2. I just went out yesterday to Pimpama and picked up, I can't remember how many I picked up now, but I picked up a whole bunch of 15 pounds and some smaller plates. He thought that they were kilos when they're actually pounds. I knew that they were pounds, so I knew that I was being charged over $2 a kilo, maybe $2.50. I usually pay $1 a kilo. Anyway, the guy, he wasn't really a lifter, so he said, I don't know, I don't lift. But he seemed like a nice dude, and I really wanted him. And I drove half an hour, and I was like, oh, whatever, I'll just sell him for what I got him for. I really just want to make this video. Anyway, his dad was the owner, and he said before that a bodybuilder owned them. He said he grinded it off. He said this bar thing, and I said a barbell. He said, yeah. Anyway, he says, oh, my dad's gonna grind them off so you can have the weights. So I've never ever seen or heard anybody doing that, offering that. That was a vintage fixed barbell. Saw someone yesterday and got some Archers weights. His dad got them originally from a bodybuilder.
My old personal trainer that I had years ago, he used to train bodybuilders in Sydney. Well, they must have been shipped down to Sydney. He lives here now.
Oh, he brought them back?
He brought them back years ago
Awesome.
when he came back from there, yeah.
You actually got the original.
Yeah. There's 8 15s and 2 5.
And welcome to Omicron. This is the second time I've had Omicron that I've known about, and I know when I have it because I sound like this. Why does this garage smell? It smells funny. These fellas is how I sound. All steel, standard size Archers weights. I spent quite a bit of money to get those. 670 in fact. 670 smackers, that's what I spent. These are the things that I do. Coming into the early 90s, times were changing so much that people were actually heading away from the golden era and working out with these hardcore fitness equipment. People didn't want that anymore. Wellness and fitness centers started to become a new thing. This is all I've ever known, is these fitness centers with the air conditioning. Archers was just too hardcore now. So people wanted the air conditioning fitness facilities. Now they had lockers and then they had different machines, obviously better upgraded machines. They hex dumbbells, the rubber hex ones came in or the rubber circular ones came in, and people wanted more comfort while they worked out hard. So that was the push in the early 90s, and that's why we no longer have gyms like Archers. It has a history that will never die. 3-in-1 oil is a lifesaver. Very good stuff. About $6 from Bunnings. You just put a little bit on, massage it in, and then it hydrates the metal. Who would have thought that metal didn't want wrinkles either? They will look good. Everything always looks worse before it gets better. Just remember that. We're almost there. This is what I've done. Another customer for Cali Paris Fitness, and he went to Archers Gym. He knows about Archers. He wanted the nice refurbished stuff. You know, he wants the good looking stuff. Of course, that's why people come to me, because stuff that looks this good is why I'm in business. The Archer set, I just abandoned it. I think it's because I had other things to do. I mean, look at this. I've done all this. This is all ready. And I've got more over here. I really need to put this up, get all this done. This should all be cleaned up, but this is all drying. This stuff needs to be painted, so it's up here. These are the backs of the Yorks, so they're also drying. This is my superhero section. We've got Batman and we got Spider-Man on the other side. The Hulk is coming. The Hulk is going to be the green one. Still oxidizing, stuff on it. Should probably go wash it off. It's the 23rd of December. This place is just so hard to work around. Like if it was empty, if this was empty, I could just rearrange it, eh? But it's not. Changing subject. This is back. Oh. And welcome to another day where it's the end of the day. And I have actually rearranged to the point that I'm very happy with it. I mean, that's in the way. Drying, so I've done one side and I've also done a clear coat. Almost done with the dumbbells. They're gonna look like they're on fire. If nobody will take these archers. 312 kilos of archers. I don't make any money on archers, I just spent it. 42 kilo set, 52, 52, 62, 62, so 312 including the things. Comes with this free barbell. I don't have any collars, I am out, I don't care. Archers. Guys coming to swap a racetrack. I'll take it. I really hope he takes these. Take it out of my life, please. Take it, someone take it. I did a swap for clothes. This is the shirt I got given. I swapped something. And now I did a swap for this AFX vintage racetrack. Gave a lot away. I gave a lot away to the delivery guy. He got like 1,000 kilos. This thing is expected to fall. Just whatever, Heather, just take it. Get it out of my life. I accidentally stumbled upon the greatest Facebook ad of all time. This guy has a gym that is over 40 years old. It's all Samson. One of the most popular weight plates in the powerlifting and bodybuilding community, especially from the 70s and 80s. The amount of customers I've had come in here that know exactly what these are.